Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the notification API browser and interact with the user and show him that he need to enable or block his notification bell because we need to send him some notification on the window of his browser. Also, this is good so you can integrate it in the future with Firebase cloud messaging and or with SignalR. So in this video, I will be showing you the basics of the notification, and later on you can interact and use it for more advanced stuff. So first I will be creating a service folder, and in the service folder I'll be creating a service called browser detection, and from here we'll be doing all the work. So first function is init, initiate handler if you want, you can call it, and let's keep it empty for now. The second one is to verify the browser, and to verify the browser because some browsers are not compatible for a notification API. So we'll do a return notification in window, that's it. And our second function will be permission granted, and we'll check the permission of type any, and the return is permission is equal to granted. And again this one, perfect. So now we'll be requesting permission also, and the request permission is the one where the user will see a pop-up right here, and it tells him that he need to enable or block the notification because we are requesting this, right? So we'll do right here a return notification.request permission, and we'll call it callback, and right here callback or call, whatever, and we can put as type any. So notification request permission, perfect. So now we need to create a notification, because if he grant us the user, if he grant the notification, so we want to show him that it's working, right? So we're just gonna pop him with the notification is set, permission granted. So and we'll put the type, and here will be let notification equal new notification, and we're just gonna pass the title permission is plus the type, just put a space right here, and that's it. So to be able to send a notification to the user locally without using any API or Firebase or anything, you just can do it this way. So new notification, and you just pass the title. You can pass many parameters, icon, body, sound. So for now we're just gonna keep it simple. So permission is granted or so and so. And now we need to, what we have else, so we have the initiate handler, and in the initiate handler first we'll be checking if the browser is permitted. So verify browser and return console log notification is not available in this browser. Most of the browsers you won't have a problem, but older version you can check it online which one is compatible or not. So if the browser is not compatible, we'll console log, or you can just do an alert so the user will know that you can pop him with an alert, please change your browser because this one blah 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 doesn't support notifications. So now else, not else, but a return if everything checked out, this request permission, and we'll call it permission here, and the permission is, and we'll do also this permission granted and of type of permission. Then we'll do this create notification and the type granted, and else I don't want anything else, undefined. That's it. So here of type any. Perfect. So now that we have wrapped everything together in a small service, we have what, 5-6 line of code. We have the small function here that it's an init handler, verify the browser. We have permission granted, request permission, create notification. You can also, you don't even need this one. You can check directly from here, like if permission is equal to granted. That's it. It's the same. All right. So let's try this. So we go to our app component.ts, and not the app component. Where is it? All right. And we have the ng init, and I'll inject into the constructor the private browser detection. So browser detection service. So first, I just want to show you that we have nothing right here. And please make sure you don't have an ad blocker or something. All right. And if you don't see a notification, you might have to reset your browser settings. So this is important. So now this browser detection dot initiate handler, and that's it. So now if we go back, it's refreshed and it's showing us that this website want us to enable the notification because he has notifications to send to us. So allow, I receive permission is granted. It's because of this function right here. Where is it? And if permission is granted, please show it this create notification granted. So let's reset this, try it again. All right. So now we can block it. We won't receive any type of notification. But if we go back, notification on, refresh, now permission is granted. So this is the basics of the notification API, but this is good to be used because in the future you might be creating applications by using the Firebase cloud messaging or the Signal R. So in this scenario, this is very important to handle the notification API. It could be more sophisticated. This is very basics. If you have any question, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and put your comments down below so I can answer you. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day.